everybody. Hey, Lasagna here. Welcome to my channel. If this is your first time coming to my channel, welcome, welcome. And if you're returning, thank you so much for returning. Be sure that you subscribe and don't forget to click that notification bell so you know when I post new content. It's been a little while. The last month and a half, I have been very, very busy. And so what I've been up to was, I did just do my show, my competition, March 16th. And now I'm getting ready to make an exciting reveal. I have written my first book. And today, my box has arrived. I'm so excited. I have no idea what it looks like. I'm super, super nervous. But I wanted to do this unboxing of my book with you guys so that you can see what it looks like. So my book name is Run Your Race, Life Lessons of a Sprinter, and it's just talking about different lessons that I've learned over the years that all tie in with me running. So as a track and field athlete, I learned a lot of different things, and so in this book I just compiled those different lessons into a little go-to guide to let people know, regardless of what you go through, regardless of how it looks, you just need to continue to run your race. So I'm getting ready to open the box and see what we have, and also take a look at the quality of how the books will look when you place your order. It is on Amazon, so be sure after this video to go and order my book. I would greatly appreciate it. So I placed an order for a couple of books. I'm going to go ahead and see what they look like. I'm so nervous, you guys. The link to my book on Amazon will be in the description box. So make sure that you go ahead and click on it and get faster access to where it is on Amazon. So here we go. Oh my goodness. Look, you guys. I'm so excited. It looks so amazing. Look at that. I am officially an author. I cannot believe it. But the amazing thing about this that's so mind-blowing is to let you know whatever it is that you want to do, do it. Don't worry about if you're afraid, what if it doesn't work, what if I fail. You never know unless you try. So what I will say is, this book is such an exciting feat for me. It's got my picture on it. I know I'm just like a big old kid right now, you guys, but this looks so nice. In the back of the book, so it has a little bio down there, so it's really exciting. So let me take a look at the pages. Oh, nice. I really, really like it. It's a nice thickness to the pages, so I do like that. It's not super, super heavy, but it's not like one of those like really paper thin, no pun intended, see-through type of page either. So I really like this. It feels so crazy to see my work in actual paper form for you guys to share the journey and experience with me. So again, this is just a really quick short video for the unboxing of my book. Again, remember, you can go ahead and click the description link in the description box and go on Amazon and support me, you guys. I would greatly, greatly appreciate it. And I would like to thank everyone who has helped me get to this point. You may not realize you have, but I will say I appreciate you. I appreciate everyone. And I would love to one day, maybe once you buy the book, sign it for you. And that way I can show you my appreciation up front. So again, I thank you guys for watching. Be sure to go and get my book, and I'll see you all on the next video. Bye.